Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is the posts, P-O-S-T-S, I'll attach my gate to. I put two of these 4x4 posts together, and I got a little overhang down here, but that's going in the ground, so that don't bother me. I'll take and put some sealant on the bottom, and that'll help it from wicking water up into it and make it last longer. The reason I'm using two posts is because most of the time you see gates, they start pulling on the posts start leaning. And you can put wheels on your gate to help compensate for that. What I'm going to do, I've got some old wrought iron. I'm going to drill a hole in here, glue it in, seal it up, and the wrought iron will come out probably about that high. Well, the gate will be on the other side, but on that side, I'll put a lot more cement on there, and that rod should help it from bending that way. And I'll maybe angle it a little bit to help with that. But these are 6-foot posts. There's my Gorilla Glue. And this will help me kind of solve the people coming on the property. I mean, if I know somebody's coming, I don't mind. And if I know them, I don't mind. But I had some guys I went to school with. One of them said, well, I'm going to stop by there and see you. I said, no, man, don't. I said, I got a real mean dog. I said, I'll get up with you. And because you get too many eyeballs on your property, they start talking too much, saying what you got, and all of a sudden stuff starts going missing. But anyway, this is one set of posts for one gate. I'm putting two gates up where they'll open up and then close, and I have plenty enough room to get off the highway, so there won't be an issue there with me obstructing traffic, which there's not a lot of traffic on this road, so still I'm going to be careful. But by morning time, these things will be like one piece of wood. I put some screws in here too, just to help hold it together, and I'll be showing you what I'm doing with the rebar before I put them in cement. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.